Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of the quadratic equation, that is how to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square method. Before that, we have discussed that how can we solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. Now today we will discuss that how can we solve the quadratic equation by completing the square method. See, in this method, our aim is to convert the equation in the form of a plus b whole square or in the form of a minus b whole square, so that after converting the equation in this form, we are able to find the value of x. So, at first I am telling you what are the different steps, and after that I will solve one question with the help of this step. See, always our equations are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. So, at first we will try to convert all the equation in this form. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then second, this is the step 1. Now, second step is whatever coefficient you have here, like here the coefficient of x square is a, we will divide whole equation with a. Okay, whatever coefficient we have here, we will divide whole equation by a. So, ax square by a, bx by a, c by a equals to 0 by a. Dividing throughout by a. After that, if anything get cancelled out, cancel it out and again write the equation. X square b by ax plus c by a equals to 0. Now what we will do, the third step is we will shift this constant term in this side. So here it will convert into x square b by ax equals to minus c by a. Okay, what we will do, we will shift this constant term in this side. Now dear student, we will try to convert this one into a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So see here, we have the square term x square. In between we need 2 into x. But here we have b by a. So b by a x is there. So here we have multiplied with 2. So we need to divide it by 2 also. क्योंकि ये दो हम लोग अपने आप ले रहे हैं. So that we can convert this into the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we need this 2 here also. So since we are multiplying this b by ax with 2, so we will divide it by 2. Then here the first term is x square, second term is b by a. So it means we need b by a whole square here, so that we can convert this into x plus b by a whole square. So since we are adding this with b by a whole square, we have to subtract b by a whole square also. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to see that how can we convert this LHS term into a plus b whole square form. So here the first, in place of a square we have x square. We need here 2, so we will divide it by 2. X is there, b by a is there, means the second term is b by a here. So we have to add b by a whole square here. So since we are adding b by a whole square here, so in this side also we will add this b by a whole square. Okay, so now this equation is balanced. Now this can be written as x plus b by a whole square, since it is in the form of a square plus 2ab Oh wait, see 2x into b by a. So here we have the denominator 2a. So here we will write b by 2a. So here also we will multiply 2. Here also we will multiply 2. So it is in the form of x plus b by 2a whole square equals to minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. Now when we will solve this, x plus b by 2a whole square equals to minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. So x plus b by 2a whole square equals to, take LCM, it will be 4a square. So here 4ac plus b square. So now when you will shift this square this side here, it will come inside the square root. So 4ac plus b square by 4a square. It means x equals to plus minus, because whatever will come out from this root, it will come in both the sign, plus and minus, b square minus 4ac by 4a minus b by 2a. So this is the required solution of x. Once again I am explaining you. At first we have to convert the equation into ax square plus bx plus c form. After that we have to divide whole equation throughout by the coefficient of x square, that is a. After that we will shift this constant term in this side. Then we will try to convert this equation in a plus b whole square form or a minus b whole square form by adding or subtracting the wanted term, whatever you want. After that it will convert into x plus y whole square like this, and after solving this you will get the value of x. Now I am explaining you how to solve the question based on this method. Pause the video to write it.